It's so important that we use some kind of protection from the blue light because we're seeing in studies that there's a relationship to damage to the retina, early macular degeneration, age-related macular degeneration. They're associating with blue light. Also, the way that we know that blue light stops our melatonin production. I've got a big article on the blog called Blue Light and Your Body that is detailing a lot of the different studies that are out. But for sure, if you can protect yourself from blue light after 6 p.m. so you'll have healthy melatonin production, that's great. There's also studies showing how the blue light and the melatonin specifically affects our metabolism. And it's important not to see the blue light or be exposed to it before eating it. It actually can affect our appetite. So we need to take this blue light coming from all of our digital devices in the HEV spectrum very seriously. Okay, today we're demonstrating 2 different products that we're going to carry on the site because we want to offer both because we think that they both have benefits. One is the Eyejust, one is the Occushield. They both are blue light blockers, screen protectors for your phones. And so they both block about the same amount of blue light. The interesting thing about the Occushield is it's been identified in the UK as a medical device. And I'm not really sure how he got that certification, but I like it. I like when things are certified as a medical device. And this will block up to 35% of blue light from 420 to 500. And I have to tell you, that's just a start. The problem with blue light is that it blocks our melatonin production, and that can just wreak havoc on so many body systems that we have, especially our hormones and our sleep cycles. So it's really important that we do what we can to block the blue light, and the best way to do that is with either gray shielding glasses or amber shielding glasses. So this is a start. This is, I think, it's working toward good. You could also use Flux. You can use Night Shift. But most of us need a screen protector to help us when we drop our phones. And so since you're probably going to get a screen protector anyway, why not get a blue light blocking screen protector? So Janelle is going to
I'm going to do the Eyejust.
Yes, how we put that on, and I'm going to demonstrate how you put on the Occushield. And as we do, we'll show you the different color films and what they look like. So mine says, first of all, just, clean your phone, which is a good idea. And your directions say...
I need to take my old one off right now.
Okay.
So I'm going to take that off.
I'm interested. Is it that thin? Oh, that's interesting.
Yeah.
It'll be interesting to compare the thickness. Okay, mine says carefully peel back. So this is, I love the packaging. So step 1, I've got to take off this foam. There it is. Okay, and then I'm going to peel this back. So this is the backing to... It's just a little cellophane back. And after I do that, place the phone onto the installation tray. Oh, this is nice.
That's really nice that it comes with a tray.
Really nice. Okay, I'm going to take off my creep blocker, which is hard. I always want to have my creep blocker on. Okay.
And make sure you don't put your fingers on the adhesive.
Thank you, Janelle.
Right?
Janelle's such a good mom and a good friend. She is. Okay. Press the arrow label from bottom to top to stick the protector to your screen.
This arrow label back there.
Oh, I see.
Once you set it in the tray.
So you're going to set it in the tray, then turn it over and press the arrow
When you
label.
turn it over, it's face down, honey.
Yeah.
It's like this. See?
Right.
Because the
But
opening
you
is
put the
there.
phone in face down, right?
Right, I got it. So here we go. Goes in there. This is a nice
That's really
installation.
cool.
Yes.
And then
okay.
flip it over.
And then flip it over.
And then I
now
think you're supposed to
turn around the tray and peel the arrow
You gotta
label.
Press it first.
Okay.
No, press it like that.
What do you mean press it?
like this.
Oh, like that.
Follow the arrow.
Aren't you glad that we're demonstrating this and learning the
Suddenly-
directions? Okay, ready? Okay. Okay, that's it, right? Now,
I'm going to be
It should
really
be on,
jealous
right?
if yours has no bubbles and mine
let's
does.
see. No, I have a bubble, I can see it.
You have a bubble?
Push it out.
You might,
Pretty
and then you
close.
go from the middle and you push it out, I think.
Okay, let's see what it says about bubbles. It says nothing. Okay, does yours give you directions about bubbles, or you
mine
just
says
know?
to press from the middle.
Okay,
It says, when aligned, carefully place the screen protector, press down with your finger in the center of the screen. Be patient. The adhesive will self-adhere to the device, and any excess bubbles can be smoothed out to the sides.
Janelle, do you see a problem? I see a problem right here. Look, it's not exact.
You're not lined
That's
up.
gonna bug the heck out of me. Can I take this off?
Ooh, once you take it off, I think it's...
Well, you know what? Mine, I'm going to lift it up and we'll compare the color of our
okay.
cases. Is that the right side up? Yeah, that is. Okay. They look, this looks a tad oranger.
A little oranger.
Yeah. Okay. Now I'm
Okay.
going to try again to put this on.
I'm going to peel mine back. Line it up.
So the Eyejust, we liked that it had antimicrobial properties. And the Occushield we like because, oh, that's good. You're doing good. It's going to come off. See, we're taking out bubbles. But I like the Occushield because it's a medical device.
This definitely has like a
reflective property.
Uh-huh.
Mine too. It's
Yeah.
definitely reflective. Look at your cute family. Okay, we'll go off of this.
My crazy kiddos.
There we go.
This one does give you a little more bubbles.
I think
Well-
you go for the Occushield just for the application.
No, we're going to
Yeah.
we're going to carry both of them because I really do like the antimicrobial properties. And I'm probably going to find out from the creator of the Occushield that his too has microbial properties, but it will be on the site and we'll know for sure. Here we have the Eyejust, here we have a clear protector, and here we have the Occushield. You can see, I visibly can see it very easily, that there's much more of an amber, orangish, darkish, warm tint to the Occushield. There's absolutely nothing here, and it almost hurts without anything. And then on the the Eyejust, it's softer, but there's no warm tone.
No.
It's absolutely clear, but with just a little bit of a subtle, just a softening, where it's not as harsh. Oops, there. Not as harsh, subtle and soft. Ooh, you need a screen protector that's colored. And this, you can see the protection from the blue light very obviously.
What do you conclude?
I conclude that I'm going to use a screen protector, either the Eyejust or the Occushield, and I'm going to use Flux or Night Shift, or what makes me so comfortable are my orange glasses or my gray glasses, because at night there's LED lights in the house, there's the big digital TV, it's that same light, and so I don't want to be exposed to any of it, so I'm much more comfortable with glasses on at night.
I really like the screen on mine. I feel like when I look at it, it kind of gives my eyes a rest and makes me kind of feel like I have sunglasses on when I'm looking at it. Yeah, it feels good.
Well, I usually don't have my screen up to full brightness. It is now, and it's not that bad.
Yeah.
Honestly. So I think
yeah, it's not bad
I
at
would
all.
agree with you. Now we have to see how the connectivity, especially because I'm usually using a stylus,
Yeah.
what it's like. If
I
it's,
feel like
if
it's really responsive.
okay.
Like sometimes I have issues with on my old one.
So I'm still on airplane, so I'm not getting any radiation. But oh yeah, this is very.
It's very responsive.
Yes, extremely. It's great. Great precision with my stylus in this.
Woohoo!
Okay, and so if I turn it down the way I normally do, I'm gonna see how it looks. And you know what? I really recommend Night Shift. Do you use Night Shift?
I do.
Isn't it great?
Mm-hmm.
Starting
It
at what
helps.
time?
I think mine's at 7.
Good. That's
7
good.
o'clock?
Yeah. For kids, I think it should be closer to 5. For adults, at least 2-3 hours before you go to bed. I think that's super smart. And if you really, really want to get all your melatonin production and the best benefits, orange glasses or gray glasses, and you can get those on the site too. This is cool.
That's
I'm glad
very
we did
cool.
this. Yes. These will both be on the site.